Patay ng side. Oh, steal. May napayisin yung oras natin ha. Oy, no good. There's a foul.
William, take the shot.
Official scores 26 and 22. Mariana on the serve. On the free throw area, no good. Kanyang first attempt. Second shot is good, yes sir. Number 2. Sa corner, Shensha. Uy, nakasagot. Si Shensha. For the 3-point play. Bad pass. Still by Shensha, number 2. Number 12. There's a foul. Nice. Oh, no good. Rebound. Nice pass to Almeida. Get the shot para kay Almeida. 29-24. Another steal. Oy, no good. Side step, no good. Pinasa number 4, jump shot, no good. Shensha, block. Number 2. Short. Ayan na, dire-diretso, number 12. Oy! Traveling daw po. Robles. Uy. Robles pinigay kay Khalifa. Oh, nakalusot pero wala. Out of bounds. Number 7, fake to Josh. Robles to Khalifa. Khalifa with a strong drive basket. Timeout. De La Salle, Subel. Time remaining 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Steal by Robles. To Josh. Josh for 3, no good. Rebound by 12, number 12. Solano. Pass the corner for 3, no good. Rebound. No good. Defensive rebound by Josh. Cruz to Khalifa, sidestep, block. Makuha ng De La Salle. Ayan na, Parian, and 1 by Maddox. Shots, ay, bonus shot para kay Maddox. Parian. Uy, no good. Rebound. What a smart play. Number 8. Pass to Maddox. Back to sa corner, fake. Pass to Maddox. Maddox sumalaksak. Tumira. Basket by Maddox. Oh, steal number 28. Steal number 8. Last touch. Number 24. Pinasa corner. Khalifa. Sidestep. Oh, there's a foul. I'm sorry, that's correction. That's number 5. Messina. Maddox, pass to number 8, too strong. Offensive rebound, no good. Rebound by number 24. Ayan, double team. Uy. Maddox, what an extra pass sa loob, wala. Oh, block by Josh. Number 7. Ayun na, double team, binigay. Side step by Mabulak, wala. Rebound by Josh. Uy. Basket para kay Josh Cruz. Attacking the basket, no good. Rebound by Khalifa. Number 24, Mabulak, reverse layup, no good. Last 5 seconds. Walang tawag ang ating referee. Parian, 4-3. Ooh, almost. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 33 and 28. Magbabalik po tayo para sa third quarter. Fourth quarter.